A very good morning, students. Today we are going to learn our chapter number 16 named as Eat Well, Be Healthy. Students, we should always eat good food to stay healthy. If we eat the right food and keep ourselves fit, then our body will be strong and also our body will have the ability to fight illness. Students, eating good food and exercising regularly will help us to stay healthy. Pulses, milk, eggs, fish, meat, fruits, vegetables, cereals like rice and wheat, etc. are all good food items which helps our body to grow, and also they give us energy and keep our body healthy. Students, pulses, milk, eggs, fish and meat help us grow. We eat some of these every day. Milk also help us have strong teeth and bones. So, we must have milk and things made from milk like cheese, yogurt, etc. So, students, we saw that these are those food items which help us to grow. Now, let us see the food items which gives us energy. These are cereals like rice and wheat, then rice, roti, bread and so on every day. Potatoes, sugar, butter and ghee also give us energy. But too much of butter, ghee, sugar are not good for our health. They make us fat. Now students, let's see the food items which keep us healthy. These are fruits, vegetables which protect us from illness. They keep our eyes, skin and gums healthy. That is why we must have fresh fruit and vegetables every day. Students, we should remember that we have to clean fruits and vegetables before eating them, because there are many germs which are tiny, which we cannot see, which are living beings. They are very small to see. They can get inside our body with food and water because they are present inside them. On fruits and vegetables, we cannot see the germs, but they are present there. Also in water, germs can be present. So, we should drink boiled water. And for fruits and vegetables, what we have to do? We should wash them. We should clean them. And we should also try to eat covered food. And if we are eating uncovered food, so before eating them, we should wash them. Also, wash our hands too, because germs stick to the hands. And before drinking water, we should boil it, or we should use some filters to kill those germs. Therefore, we should eat either boiled water or filtered water. Now, let us see the good habits which we should perform regularly. Sleep on time, wake up on time, eat on time. These are the good habits we should perform regularly to keep our body working well. Students, you need a lot of sleep to grow well and be energetic. So, you must go to bed early. If you sleep late, you will feel tired the next day and your mind will not feel fresh and interested in studies, playing games, etc. You will feel lazy every time. Therefore, you should sleep early, on time. Now students, let us see what we should do to keep our body clean. We should bath every day. to get rid of the dust and germs that stick to our body. We should wear clean clothes after bathing. We should wash our hands after using toilet or after coming home and before eating. We should keep our nails trimmed and clean because germs stick under the nails. We should comb hair daily. We should wash our hair with shampoo and soap once a week. This will keep our hair and scalp clean. Students, food sticks to our teeth and can give us pain in our tooth. So, after eating, we should rinse our mouth and we should brush twice a day to keep our tooth well. Students, you should finish your homework early so that you can have time to play, which keeps us happy and healthy. Also, it helps us in growing and being strong. So, what you have to do? You have to enjoy yourself doing the things you love like reading, painting, dancing, listening to music, etc. And happy children grow very well. So, students, eat well to stay healthy. This was all in our chapter number 16. Stay at home, stay safe, take care of yours, help each other. Thank you.